Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be taking a look at how to use an external CSS style sheet for your HTML document. So let's get started. So we're going to get a format for HTML5 and okay, let's just put a title here for now, and let's make the title to be CSS style. Okay, so I'm just going to put something here. For instance, let's have it's shown to be external CSS style sheet. Okay, let's go. So guys, let's do something for now. Let's open this in a browser. Let's check what we've done out. So as you can see guys, this is our page. Let's go back to our editor now. Now what we want to do, don't forget we want to use an external CSS style sheet for this document. So you're just going to open another tab in your editor and save this as style.css style.css, and you change this to all files. So it's already in all files, I don't need to do that. It's not file. So you save it in the same directory as your index.html file. So make sure it is in the same folder. So you save it. And now guys, this is what we want to do. This is our style sheet and this is our HTML document. So we want to link the two together so that this style sheet will work with this HTML document even when they are not in the same sheet. So let's try to fix this. What you're going to do is to come inside your head tag and put this link, just because we want to link it. So let's check this out. Okay, something like this, but this is not what we are doing, so I'm just going to erase this from here. Okay, let's do from here. This is a link style sheet, yes. So we have to put the type. You have to put the type, and the type is text slash CSS. Yes, it's the text sheet and it's CSS. So then before we put the link, href, so that is going to be the name of this document, which is style.css. so it's going to be style.css. Yes, that is it guys. So by so doing, I believe this external style sheet has been linked to this HTML file. So let's test run this and see if it's actually working out. So for instance, let's just try to do something here. Let's try to change the background color. Yes, let's do that. So let's go to HTML. That's the type we want to deal with. HTML, and let's get this done. So background color, let's use green. Let's try this out. Saving this, let's go to our browser and refresh our page. Yeah guys, it's really working out. As you can see, this has changed to green. So let's try to do something else here. Let's try to change the font family of our first heading. So I'm going to change font family, sans. Let's make it sans serif or serif. Okay, let's just try to put something new. So let's make it Arial. Let's check it. So Arial black. Let's check this out. Oh, okay. let's try to do this. Need to put this. Let's check this out. So as you can see, guys, it hasn't changed to Arial. Yes. So now successfully this style has been linked with this. So thank you, guys. Don't forget, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube